Welcome to Ilangin. Now we will direct the way to use Ilangin. Okay, follow me now. First click here, or you can drag the file here. Look for the image that you want to remove the background on. Click here. Wait until the system process works automatically. Okay, congrats, the image you tried has finished removing the background. It's very neat how to cut it. Click download image if you want to save the photo on your internal storage. The downloaded image file is in the form of PNG. For more information, you can check below. Here is a clear example that you can immediately understand how it works. Okay, thanks, good luck.